Now we will consider exploring the way in which armature windings of three-phase alternator are made. These windings are very much similar to armature windings of three-phase induction motor. Most important difference between induction motor winding and synchronous machine winding is induction motor windings are supposed to produce rotating magnetic field, but synchronous machine is supposed to produce three-phase AC supply from rotating magnetic field. This might be a repetition that three-phase AC windings consist of various coils as shown on slide. This coil is made up of certain number of turns of conducting wire that may be considered for analysis purpose. When one turn of coil completes its path, it covers two conductors. These two conductors have relative position with respect to other conductor in magnetic field distribution. This relative position is measured in terms of angle between them, which is electrical angle. Let us visualize alternating wave moving in circumferential gap between stator and rotor. If this circumferential gap distribution is seen in a developed view, then we see sinusoid with x-axis as a circumferential length and y-axis as a magnetic field strength. This waveform covers one pole pair and angle between two conductors of coil occupying locations in such a distribution will have angle between them equal to 180 degrees or less. If angle between two conductors is 180 degrees, then coil is considered as a full pitch coil. Otherwise, coil may have angle less than 180 degrees, and coil is termed as corded coil. When conductor of coil moves in magnetic field, EMF is induced in these conductors. The EMF induced in such a way are phasors and away from each other by some electrical angle. If we consider two conductors of full pitch coil, then EMF induced in them are 180 degrees out of phase. Further, these conductors are connected from back, so EMF between start and end of such a turn is simply an arithmetic sum. If the turn of coil has an angle less than 180 degrees, that is for corded coil, multiplying factor is cosine of angle 180 minus delta, where delta is angle of diversion from full pitch coil. The coil of armature winding is made up of some number of turns depending upon number of turns per coil. Turn EMF gets multiplied by number of turns to get EMF per coil. Further, each phase of armature winding is made up of certain number of coils. On the slide we have shown 4 coils. All these coils of particular phase are adjacent coils in armature winding. When we move from one coil to its adjacent coil, its induced EMF also moves with respect to adjacent coil EMF by one slot pitch. If we connect finish of first coil with start of adjacent coil, then EMF gets added as a phasor sum. In case of armature winding, each phase may consist of integer number of few coils. If we consider cos 180 minus delta as a multiplying factor corresponding to corded coil, then this factor is considered as a pitch factor Kp. In case of distributed coils connected to form a phase, then their phasor sum is made by using geometrical method. As we may see on slide, various phasors of coils are connected to each other from tip to tail. If we have n number of coils, then such a orientation of coils from tip to tail forms a polygon. Angle subtended by all phasors in a phase is found by connecting tail of first phasor and tip of last phasor with center of circle encircling the polygon. The ratio of phasor sum to algebraic sum is less than 1. This ratio is known as distribution factor and is represented in a mathematical form with symbol Kd. A brief geometrical analysis will show that we may derive the expression for a distribution factor Kd that we have written on slide. The product of Kp and Kd is a winding factor represented by Kw and is always less than 1. This winding factor is identical with winding factor considered in induction motor. The EMF equation that we see on slide is identical with the EMF, the equation in case of induction motor. This EMF is an EMF induced in any one of the phase and is represented by a sinusoidal graph as shown on slide with green color. The flux responsible for producing this EMF is shown on graph with blue color. Since we are considering the machine or synchronous machine as alternator, magnetic field is a cause and induced EMF is the effect.